subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs.
Welcome to Amabenza TV, KMTN 8, Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Golden Arrows 1. I'm joined by We Talk Football
SA.
Indeed.
Mfowethu.
Yes, Baba.
Masingena la ground.
Merchandise.
Usho kanje?
Merchandise, I told. Shoe fresh, wabona. For black owned independent, I told.
And a black supporting black.
Exactly, my brother.
Very rare.
Always.
Where did you come from?
Protea Clan.
You come from another world.
So where to?
Aye man. No. Kiyawuhlompa intsha yakho.
Thank you, Tim.
Yeah. Mamela Gestibo.
Yes.
The assistant, the goalkeeper coach of Golden Arrows misbehaved today.
No.
I don't want to kill him, but sometimes you hide your feelings in order to motivate the next player. When the goalkeeper got injured, he was so upset and even walking, throwing tantrums around instead of preparing another goalkeeper mentally. So I must congratulate Mbanjwa for being a brave man, because that can demoralize you, because the next player, when he comes on, he must be sure that the technical department trusts him like the other one. He should have said, no, my boy, this is your opportunity. When he gets injured, it's your turn.
Sure.
So go and give us the best. That's why Golden Arrows signed you.
Sure, Tim.
But the way he behaved, it was not cool.
Yes.
So he must learn from that and fix it.
Yeah, I agree.
You know, Mamelodi Sundowns, when there's jersey number 22 at Golden Arrows, he was playing number 10. He played another number 10 that I've never seen before, a marking number 10. He was on top of Opas, Batusi Opas, until he was substituted. And the coach of Mamelodi Sundowns also went to sleep. Because when he took off Opas, he put in Santos. And then there was no one to play in front of the defense to feed Allende. So now Allende dropped back, and there was no carrier at Mamelodi Sundowns, somebody who could come back and get the ball and go forward. So ngaleyo ndlela leyo Mamelodi Sundowns uyibulele ngaleyo ndlela. Ayisakwazi ukuya kahle phambili. Isiya ngamashance kanti eqaleni ngisho uLebo Mthiba lona abantu abamgcekayo ushaya itarget. Bayamsola. Into esifunayo mina, into engikhala ngayo ngenza isibonelo njengombuthumi ukuthi ama goal attempts ukhahlelela ibhali. Ile into esifuna uMthiba ushayile itarget kabili noma kathathu, kukhona enye header futhi akayihedile yaphuma phezulu kwebhali. Ile into esifunayo e-striking. Manje ngizwe sebemhwaza lo mfana lona ngathi hayi kanjani. Bese lapha ku center back ye Sundowns ngaba siyishintsha njalo phela. Mangabe uKekano bengalimele bekufanele ukuthi baqhubeke bamdlalisa, bengafaki uRastamani namhlanje. Ene bekhombisa ukuthi bathanda ukubalulanyana. Ibhola iArrows ebashaye ngalo ibashaye direct ball, ibhola liye straight, washawe through ball. Junior Sede Dion, leading goal scorer in the PSL. Same like our fans were to leading us in the sports podcast.
Really?
You are leading, guys. Is it? I
didn't know.
And you are inspiring us, you know. And you are also giving us. So you could see the way Sede Junior Dion ran his run, and also making that strike that he is the leading goal scorer. Other than that, I can't say much. I can't say Ghost didn't play well. That goal was clear, so I can't say he played well. I can't say why did they put Williams on the bench, because he has also been conceding a lot of goals, and we know. But the last time Ghost played here, he conceded 7. So maybe there was a nightmare to concede that goal.
No.
Other than that, I still love you, but I'm not sure. I am.